Looks like they like it. What you doing? A little excitement. Right, Petey? Good, Petey. Good, Petey. Yay. Chrissy's looking a little gaunt, but she is a full 14-year-old Jersey. And I've been feeding her a little grain on the sly. Nobody else is getting any. She's such a pretty girl. Good girl.